Hey guys, so we just wanted to do a quick little unboxing and first look of the brand new Galaxy J3 for 2016. Now, I was a big fan of the Galaxy J5 in 2015, so I wanted to check it out to see how it is here. This is an entry-level device, so you can pick these up for less than 200, and basically should be giving you quite a nice experience. We're getting Super AMOLED display here, quad-core processor, 8 megapixel camera and 5 megapixel front-facing camera. So yeah, let's have a look here, see how this one is. So I think we have one area here to cut. And another one. Or maybe I can unpeel this one. So, how do I get this open? Let's have a look. So you can see we did get this in white because it looked quite nice here. And let's have a look at the phone. So you're getting very plasticky design. Wow, it feels exactly the same as the J5 of last year. Oh my god, it's like they've just cloned it, really. Yes, nice non-offensive design here. Old school Samsung, for those of you who remember the plastic. But generally, it's looking quite familiar here. Let's just have a look at what you get in the box as well. So you get a quick start guide and charger. I'm guessing it's not fast charge or anything. Nope. So you're stuck with your slow kind of charging. Earphone buds. A pair of earphones as well, which is quite nice for an entry-level device, and a charging cable and the battery as well. So everything that you need to get going basically, which is good. And we can just get the battery in to see the weight of the actual device. So let's I'm guessing it opens like the J5. I think what they've done actually is they've made it so it looks a little bit more premium than the J5. Can you see these edges here? If I just compare with the J5, they've made it so it looks a bit more like the top end phones, but it's still plastic, so don't be fooled. It does look more premium than it is. So let's get this in. What's the size of it? This is near field communication enabled, which is good. Can't see the size of it though. Nano SIM as well you will need for this device, unlike the micro SIM of the past. So something to bear in mind here. And I gotta say, it feels quite nice, non-offensive in the hand. It's it's not gonna be premium or anything. Back snaps in quite well. I don't dislike it. And they got a slightly different styling than last time. We got black at the front here, which gives it quite interesting, distinctive look. But you do get the black border because of it if you get the white one. So do bear that in mind. And straight away, the screen looks just as high quality as the J5 here. So we'll just go through this nice and quick. And as for the processor, I think it's not a mainstream one. I don't think it's a Snapdragon. Could be Speedrun again. And my experience with Speedrun before wasn't good, as I remember, or whatever it's called. I'll have to check it out. And we're in. So this is the J5 here. Very nice entry-level trinket. And you can see we do get the new TouchWiz on it, as opposed to the old TouchWiz. So that is pretty nice. And I think we're getting hopefully Marshmallow, maybe, or maybe not. Maybe it's Lollipop, because it has this similar look to it as Lollipop. Yeah, Android 5.1.1. So maybe there's an update for it. I'll have to have a look. But it looks like a nice, you know, speed here in terms of opening stuff up. So that is the main thing. Let's go into the double click, see if it's fast. There you go. That's quite fast actually. And if it goes into the camera fast, that's the main thing, and takes the shot as well, nice and quick. A little bit blurry, but I will test out the camera in detail, seeing how it is. Hopefully it's some good stuff. But yeah, just a quick little unboxing here of the brand new Galaxy J3 2016. If you want to see something in particular, let me know, and we'll definitely check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.